Today I'm going to share the new spring movement foot corrector with you. I really love the way that this works because of these pipes over here. It means that the spring is sliding inside of the pipe and there's no risk of getting fingers or toes caught underneath as in some of the other models. The non-slip pad here is also a little bit bigger, and it means you don't have to turn the machine around. You can just work from one side or the other. So a lot of people are confused about the foot corrector. I'll just show you how it works. So first thing we want to do is we really want to open, stretch the toes and lengthen them. So we're going to widen them as much as we can, and then they're just going to drape over the top. So at this stage you're not trying to engage the spring, you're just trying to take on the shape of the saddle of the spring corrector here. Good, of the foot corrector really. Then you're going to move your foot a little bit closer so that you're finding these metatarsal heads. And it's the same thing. You're going to spread the toes and you're going to lengthen. So this is the baby foot. So babies will do that automatically to start strengthening their arches. And you'll feel there's a lot of work happening in the arch when you're doing that. The next thing that you want to do is come with the arch of your foot on top of the saddle. So again, at this stage, you're still not pushing down. You're going to try and wrap the arch of your foot around the shape of the saddle. So you're going to let the heel drop, you're going to let the fore part of the foot drop. So it's like doing a dome, strengthening that arch. Then you're going to spread your toes and place your heel on the center of the saddle. And now, without using forward momentum in your body, just using what's available in your calf, you're going to push down and control the release. Push down and control the release. Push down and slowly control. You can also work that sort of talus joint by allowing the heel and the toe areas of your foot to drop forward and back. So you're sort of almost massaging the arch. So all the way through, you're going to make sure that you're keeping your alignment on both legs. I'd probably do about 6 to 8 repetitions. If somebody's really strong, about 10. But don't forget that the leg that you're standing on is also going to be working hard. And then simply walk around to the other side and start the process again. First of all, by draping the toes and really trying to spread them. Then by lifting up those metatarsal heads, so moving around the dome of the saddle. Then you're going to come into the arch and you're going to think of doming, trying to lift the arch of the foot up. You can go into the talus rock from there if you like, sort of closing the front of the ankle and then opening it. And then finishing off by placing your heel on the center of the saddle, thinking about how the knee aligns over the center of the ankle, and then just using the power from your calf to push and release. So I hope that's given you some idea of how this works. It's a beautiful machine and it's really great for getting the feet reinvigorated.